Well, the holiday season is right around the corner, and we all want to look our best for family and friends during the season.
Now's a good time to give CoolSculpting a try. It'll tackle those stubborn areas of fat like saddlebags, love handles, or bra rolls, just to name a few. We welcome this morning Dr. Kerry Shafran with RIva Dermatology to tell us more. Dr. Shafran, good morning. Great to see you.
Thank you. It's welcome. It's wonderful to be back. Thanks
Oh,
for the invite.
love having you here.
Guys.
Well, tell everybody about CoolSculpting, why you like it so much, and why it's so effective in getting rid of stubborn areas of fat.
Well, because just genetically we have certain areas that just will not respond to diet or exercise, and there's nothing really we can do about it short of surgery until now with the CoolSculpting, which is a simple way of non-invasively, meaning no needles, no cutting, really no downtime at all. Simple way of putting an applicator on the skin, a little product that you see here. On the skin, it's called an applicator. It goes right on the skin. This happens to be my sides, my love handles right there. And,
one of the perks of your job, I guess, right?
It was, and easy enough to do between my morning and my afternoon patients. And you just relax for about, depending on the size of the site, they were treating 35 to 45 minutes. It's a little cool at first, so a little tingle, and after that, very comfortable. You can even check your emails while you're doing it.
Well, Dr. Terry, what is it actually doing? So when we talk about CoolSculpting, what's happening when the application's on? What is going on inside my body?
Well, it's the word cool, sculpting, because we're sculpting a new shape. That's the goal. That's the goal. But cool because it's actually freezing the fat without damaging the skin and the nerves and everything else that live in there. It just freezes the fat, and as a result, the fat melts away. It actually dies slowly on the inside. Our body absorbs it and eliminates it naturally. And it simply just trims down that area permanently because the cells are gone.
We're going to kill the fat and freeze the fat. I like the sound of that. There are new CoolSculpting hand pieces that have really improved the procedure. You have all of those at RIva.
We do. We do. And in fact, there's another piece that's not really a CoolSculpting piece. It's an accessory that we found called the ZWave Pro. You see it being used here. I brought it into the studio as well. This is an amazing device that sends sort of little sonic shock waves, 2,500 pulses into the skin, into the area right after the treatment is done. It looks like this. It's very easy. It has 16 times a second. Boom, 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 boom. Sends these little pulses into the skin to break up that frozen fat better than you can with the normal manual massage. Here's an example of the right side treated with the CoolSculpting plus the Zimmer. On the left side, the CoolSculpting with the normal massage protocol. Big difference.
Yeah, so again, you would use that after a CoolSculpting treatment, and not everybody who offers CoolSculpting has this little device, and as you can see from that before and after picture, the results are so much better with it.
Very few offices have it because it's expensive, and it's not really part of the normal CoolSculpting. It's just an add-on, you might say, that we do.
Okay, how does this affect your downtime? So you got this new this device, Z-Wave. So what happens with downtime for us?
It has no effect on downtime, which essentially is negligible anyway. I mean, you literally get up from the table, you can go and do your normal routine, as I did, right back to work, back to taking care of the kids, whatever you need to do. This has no effect on the downtime whatsoever. It just makes it work better.
Now, Dr. Shafran, I know people want to know, how long will it take to see results?
Right. Well, it's not just a day or two. In about a month to 6 weeks, you can start to see results. They get better by month 2, by month 3. So the first time we'll see a client back is after 3 months to see how well they've done.
Is that because of the elimination of that goes through your natural body process?
Exactly. So that takes several weeks for your body to process that damaged fat and eliminate that on the inside.
We want all of you at home to get an idea of the results people are seeing with CoolSculpting.
So all kinds of areas can be treated. It's some of the ones we just mentioned at the top of our segment here. And you can see inner thighs respond nicely. There's the tummy, obviously after children, very hard to do much with that, but now we can do it without any surgery. And here's a great example of little love handles on the back there. Bra rolls respond very nicely typically to that, again, without surgery. These are all our own patients, single treatment that you saw there.
Single treatment?
Single treatment.
One treatment of CoolSculpting.
Right.
Now, why should somebody go to RIva and not someplace else? As we mentioned, other offices offer CoolSculpting, but why choose RIva over another place?
Well, one would certainly be that we have the Zimmer Z-Wave Pro, which is, again, and we don't, this is not an extra charge, not an upcharge, this is included. It's just part of the service that we do. Another is that we're a medical practice, so we're not a med spa. Nothing wrong with being in a med spa, but we're from a full medical office, so we can do skin cancer screenings while you're there if you need that. We can do some Botox or fillers if you would like that. We have all the services available. And a lot of what we do is patient education. All of our CoolSculpting team leaders have been trained at CoolSculpting University right outside of Washington, D.C.